In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark theme in Brave. If you prefer a lower glare look that's easier on the eyes, switching Brave to dark is quick and simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along in real time. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure you're looking at any regular Brave window, not a private window, because we want to change a setting that applies to the whole browser. Next, head to the menu in the top right corner of Brave. It's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the menu panel. From this list, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's preferences organized on the left side. In the Settings tab, click on Appearance. Appearance controls how Brave looks and feels, including colors, toolbars, and themes. On the right, find the option labeled Theme and click it. This is where you choose how the browser colors are applied. Now select the dark theme. As soon as you do, Brave's interface switches to a deeper color palette. You should see the tabs, the address bar, and menus update immediately, giving you that sleek dark look. This change helps reduce eye strain in low light and can even save a bit of battery on some displays. If your version of Brave shows several theme choices, simply pick the one called Dark or any option clearly labeled as a dark look. The selection is safe to try. Brave applies it right away, and you can always come back to this exact spot to switch back to light if you prefer. If your window is very narrow and you don't see the 3 lines immediately, try maximizing the window so the menu icon becomes visible in the corner. Worth noting, this is a visual preference only. It won't alter your bookmarks, extensions, or privacy protections, and it applies to the profile you're currently using. If your screen is very bright or you work at night, pairing dark theme with a slightly lower display brightness can make long sessions more comfortable. Take a quick look around your browser to confirm the change. Open a new tab, glance at the toolbar, and hover over menus. Everything should now reflect the darker style. Websites with their own dark modes may follow your preference automatically, while others will keep their original design, which is normal. That's it. You've opened Brave, used the menu in the upper right to reach Settings, gone into Appearance, clicked Theme, and selected Dark. Keep this path in mind anytime you want to fine-tune how Brave looks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with a comfortable, eye-friendly dark theme.